Okay, a little update on the Massey Ferguson 1100 throttle linkage, the bell crank assembly. I've taken these holes where the old ones was all wore out and there was grooves on it where it had rubbed inside the holes, and it was just 2 drilled holes and a 3/8 pin. What I've done is I've drilled these out to fit these bushings, and now the 3/8 pin just drops through, and I mean it's just it's going to be great. And then I'm going to weld these onto the ends where they need to be, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a little bit of slack in play end to end, and I'm going to put a spring washer in there, and that way the spring washer will take up any play end to end in them. And I took the bushings and I took them and I flattened them out on one side. That way I didn't have to take so much meat off the two ends, because it was going to thin it down some. And I may just take a touch of JB Weld and put on the back side just so they can't move. I mean, the spring washer is going to hold them in place. They can't rotate because of the flat sides, but just for GP and for painting and anything like that, I think I'll put a little bit of JB Weld on the back side, and then this other one will go like here. I'm going to weld one of them ahead of time, and the other one I'm going to have to weld in place. But with the brass on the back side, I shouldn't have any problems, and I'll be actually tacking the shaft flush on the top edge like that. So I shouldn't have too much trouble with transferring heat down in there, especially if I do a spot at a time. But this should be a heck of a lot better than what it had before, and I don't have to worry about it wearing out. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm just getting this YouTube channel started, and the more the merrier. Thank you.